Welcome to the video on the Bosch GSB 600 corded electric impact drill, including the versatile 100-piece accessory set. This is a powerful and robust tool designed for longevity. The 600-watt motor and high-quality construction allow it to handle demanding tasks, further enhanced by a new carbon brush for improved durability. The drill provides fast and efficient drilling and is ideal for masonry, concrete, and tough surfaces. Its forward and reverse rotation is perfect for drilling and screw driving tasks, offering comfortable and controlled handling and a versatile chuck for various bit sizes. Key technical data includes a 600-watt power input, an impact rate of up to 48,500 BPM, and a no-load speed of up to 3,000 revolutions per minute. The chuck capacity ranges from 1.5 to 13 millimeters. To use the drill, first, loosen the chuck with the key. Next, select and insert the required drill bit. Securely tighten the chuck, then mark your drill point and proceed to drill to the desired depth. The Bosch GSB 600 is suitable for various applications, including drilling in metal, wood, and masonry, providing the versatility needed for different projects. Discover more than just power tools with Bosch. Check out the BOSCH Connected app to simplify your work and maximize your tool's potential. More technical data shows the compact size and weight of 1.7 kilograms. It features maximum drilling diameters of 25 millimeters in wood, 13 millimeters in concrete, and 10 millimeters in steel. The comprehensive package includes the GSB 600 corded professional drill machine, a carrying case, and a 100-piece toolbox kit with various drill bits, screwdrivers, a hammer, measuring tape, and more. The Bosch GSB 600 delivers exceptional power, precision, and control. Its robust 600W motor and impact function ensure rapid performance in tough materials, complemented by an ergonomic handle for comfort. Benefit from variable speed control for precision work. The drill offers a rotation speed up to 3,000 revolutions per minute and delivers up to 48,000 impacts per minute, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Thank you for watching the video.